I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself locked out of your eBay Seller app account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the eBay Seller app. Launch the eBay Seller app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the process to work smoothly. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and tap on it. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your eBay account. Double check for typos to avoid delays in receiving the reset email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from eBay with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. If you find yourself still locked out after these steps, consider contacting eBay support for further assistance. Good luck, and I hope you read back to selling soon.